Good morning to everybody, good morning to England. I'm now on my way to my dentist. What I like here, you can ask the address to anybody and anybody knew all building here. You don't need navigator. So this is great, especially if you ask old ladies, old people, they knew everything here, all locations. So now I visited my stomatologist. In Ukraine we have much more cheaper service, dental service, and I think much more better quality. So welcome to Ukraine for treat your teeth. So here guys is this private dental practice that I visit in Біла Церква. I would like to tell guys that I had a big problem in Great Britain with my teeth and just waited for time when I come back home. In Great Britain I did just temporary repair of one tooth for £150, and here I renew two of my teeth for £150. And the thing is not only in money. It's very difficult to find a good dentist in UK. Dentists in UK told me that my teeth are in very bad condition and I need to delete them. But here they repair them just for 2 days. In Ukraine we have very good dentists, very good doctors. And I understand that we need to respect and value our people.